Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Rogers in New Kingston off Waterloo Road. Now this is the tallest building in Kingston. It was once the tallest building in Jamaica, but the Pinnacle in Montego Bay has passed 20 floors on its way to 28, and so that is officially the tallest building in Jamaica now. But this is the second tallest building and the tallest building in Kingston. Now, this building will eventually be the fifth or sixth tallest building in Jamaica, and eventually probably in the top 10, the low top 10, because a lot of development is taking place. But as terms of Kingston, it is the tallest. So this is a residential building. It's being done by Ripton Construction, and they are actually doing two other mega projects in Jamaica at the same time. Have to give them credit. 3 large developments taking place at the same time. They are doing a 13-story building on Central Avenue of Constant Spring Road, the corner of Central Avenue and Constant Spring Road, another residential development. And they are building a plaza, a 3 or 4-story plaza on Lady Musgrave Road. Massive developments. Now, as you can see, things are moving along with the Rogers, the building we're looking at. There was a time when we thought the construction had slowed down, but maybe with all those other developments taking place, well, the construction had slowed down on this one, but they've seemed to pick back up the pace now, because you can see a lot of improvements since the last video. This is another angle of the building. Very nice building, I must say. It's going to have 101 apartments, going from 101 units, ranging from 1-bedroom to 3-bedroom units, and they are going to have penthouse units. They'll have ample parking. I think they have underground parking. They have to have underground parking because there's just not enough space on the ground level. And this is what you call a luxury development, and it's going to be a landmark in Kingston. Anywhere you are in New Kingston, you can see this building. Very nicely done. Alright guys, we're just giving you an update today. Based on what we're looking at, I would say 2026. Each building should be completed by sometime in 2026. Alright guys, let us know. Do you think the pace has picked up on this building? Leave your comments in the section below. And if anybody knows what the sales are like, if the building is sold out or 50%, 60%, let us know. You can leave your comments in the section below, and we will include it in update videos. And guys, any development you want us to make a video of, just leave a comment in the section below and we'll be happy to do it. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.